Mainly we'll discuss organizational structure, creation of general ledger accounting, document splitting, sample document, and all the topics we'll discuss. So first of all, we'll know about defined company. This is useful in several companies. So T code is /n OX15. Here click on new entries. Here company code. And street. Here post box. Again postal code, city. Here country IN, language EN, currency INR, enter and save. Next, define credit control area. This is mainly useful for the credit limit against the customers for the organization. T code is /n OB45. Here we have to give /n OB45. Here click on new entries. Credit control area, our company code, currency INR, enter and save. Here click on back. Here description should be credit control area for company code. Enter and save. Next, define company code. It is small organizational unit to complete all the set of accounts in one company code. So T code is /n /n OX02. Here click on new entries, company code, here company name, city, country, currency and language. Enter and save. Here title should be company. Here name is our company code. Street and house number. It may be anything. Postal code, city, country IN, region 01, postal code and post box number. Enter and save.